the rail route between Haldibari in India's West Bengal and Bangladesh's Chilahati is all set to reopen on the 17th of December. The route was closed down nearly 55 years ago. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina will inaugurate the train line through a virtual meeting. India's Northeast Frontier Railway and an official, Shubhanandan Chanda, announced the development and said that a goods train will run from Chilahati to Haldibari, which is under the Katihar division of the NRF, to mark the opening of the route. The railway route was closed in 1965 during the India-Pakistan war. Remember that 55 years ago, Bangladesh was still a part of Pakistan and was officially recognized as East Pakistan. The train route will resume a day after Bangladesh's Great Victory Day. Now let's take a look at some of the key issues that will be discussed in the virtual conference between the two prime ministers. It is expected that the conference will focus on putting an end to border killings and water sharing issues as well pertaining to the 6 rivers. However, it is still not clear if India's Teesta River will find a mention in these talks. Other issues will be resolving bureaucratic complexities in the LOC project, cooperation in tackling the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, as well as trade facilitation between the neighbor nations. Bangladesh will be looking at this meet as an opportunity to strengthen the bilateral ties. The country will be celebrating 50 years of independence in March next year. That also marks 50 strong years of the India-Bangladesh diplomatic relations. The two countries will jointly celebrate the golden jubilee of its bilateral ties, for which preparations are underway on both sides.
Of India to operate in Bangladesh.
Now for more on this, let's hear from our correspondent Lakmeena Jasmine Soma.
Dhaka is considering this virtual meeting of the two prime ministers very seriously. In particular, it is being held at a time when there are many contemporary issues in addition to the regular interests of the two countries. It is expected that the meeting will focus on stopping border killing, water sharing issues pertaining to the 6 rivers. It is not clear if the Teesta will find a mention, but many diplomatic analysts say that when the two prime ministers will sit for a meeting, the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina may take a chance to remind her neighbor about this long-standing unresolved issues. Resolving bureaucratic complexities in the LOC project and facing cooperation in tackling COVID-19 are also expected to come up in the discussion. I want to mention here that they are going to meet at a time when there is a discussion, there is a buzz that Bangladesh is leaning towards China, and China is trying to expand its footprint in this country. So it is very important for this region about this meeting. And I want to mention here that a few days back Chinese defense minister was supposed to visit Dhaka from Nepal, and somehow it has been cancelled. And interestingly, China is still trying to make this happen on the same day the two prime ministers is going to meet. So everyone is looking forward to 17 December, that what's going to happen.